Hello, and welcome to this HelloID provisioning product release video for April 2023. HelloID provisioning is a 100% born-in-the-cloud, easy-to-configure and maintain user provisioning solution. It helps organizations to fully automate the user lifecycle management in the network by connecting the HR or SIS as a source system. Every change in this source is detected and processed into the network. No more worries about stale user accounts, accumulation of licenses or access rights, manual user management, or compliancy issues. Please note that in this video, we will only show the functionality for the April 2023 release. Please go to docs.helloid.com or our YouTube channel for more videos. Let's get started. In this video, we'd like to start with a PowerPoint presentation and then demo the new functionalities for the April 2023 release. We have two new items in this release. First, unmanaged entitlement when removing from rule. When removing an entitlement from a business rule, it's now possible to leave the state of the entitlement as unmanaged without revoking the entitlement as being granted by the business rule before. The second item is support value is updated on conditional event as part of the new beta feature. With this feature, it is now possible to trigger an event in case a field is updated or when this field contains a specific value. Let's start with a short demo of the new features in this release. We'll start with the first item, the unmanaged entitlement when removing from rule. We have to go to the business rules section. We have made a few example rules, and we will show one of them. This one is a condition with 26 people in scope with entitlements. And when we remove some of the entitlements, for example, the permission entitlements, and we publish this one, then you will notice that the permissions will automatically be triggered as revoke. So those permissions will be revoked from all the persons in scope, and 26 people will lose their permission from this business rule. But with this release, we introduced a Manage Removed Entitlements as a toggle. In this case, it removes the entitlement from the business rule, but it will leave the entitlement as its current state for the person. So it will not trigger a revoke from the permission for this specific target system. Let's continue on to our next feature. It's the custom event to support value is updated on the conditional event. Here we already prepared some examples. This case is very interesting. We have trigger when a Dutch phone number is updated. So we have two conditions on our event. In this case, we'll start with the phone number. So we introduced the is updated in this release. And when the is updated will fire, you can also extend it with a conditional check. In this case, we want to check if it's a Dutch phone number that's being updated. So we say that if the phone number field is updated, and the number contains a value of, in this case 31, to check if the number is Dutch. Then it will fire the update event. So we have duplicate conditions on this event to be triggered. First, we check the value of the phone number, which can be any value, and then we extend our check with the plus 31. We can also put in other checks to see if the number is Dutch, such as 0031 in the condition. So multiple values can be checked in the contains. Once this is complete, then the account update will be fired. Thank you so much for watching. Please let us know if you have any additional questions. You can post your question in YouTube or send it to isupport@toolsforever.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive frequent updates about improvements and changes in HelloID. Have a wonderful day.